guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. Well, in today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the general post on the Redbubble because a few days back only, not few days, I will tell you, few weeks back someone commented on my video asking me, making a video talking about the general post on the Redbubble and what it is all about and how you can utilize it for getting more sales onto your Redbubble and all that. Now guys, I took a long time to literally make video about it because I was researching about it. I was also new to it. I was researching about it, that what should I make a video about it and how I'm gonna talk about this general post in this video and all that. So I took a time to actually think about it, and then I thought now is the time for me to make a video for this. Okay guys, so if you're interested in that how to use the general post and how to utilize it to get more sales for your Redbubble. If you're interested then stick till the end of the video guys, because I'm going to talk about this in depth about in this video. And before moving on to the good part, you guys know what you need to do. Just click on the like button. I would really appreciate that. Now let's get started with the main part of the video guys. Talking about the general post, I have my phone, the article from the Redbubble itself talking about the best way to announce your new work and sales by utilizing the general post on their Redbubble account. So I was just going through this article and just researching a little bit more before actually talking about what exactly is this. So okay guys, it's a kind of a way in which you can announce your new work, or in which if you have uploaded a new design onto the Redbubble, you can make a general post and can talk to your followers who have already following you, or talk to in general on the Redbubble artist stuff and all that, and declare that you have uploaded a new design related to this particular thing, and talking more about it in that what is this design is all about and what is your inspiration behind it, so that more people would be going to read that post, more people will going to interact with that post, and if the more people are interacting with that post, with that general post, then obviously more people will going to watch that, and when more people will going to more watch that, then obviously guys, you'll be getting more eyeballs on your shop. And now I don't need to say, when we are getting more eyeballs on our shop, then what happens? You already know that we obviously get more sales when we are getting more traffic onto our shop. So that's the way in which you can utilize the general post. Now this is a way in which you can kind of advertise or kind of mention your new designs or new artwork that you are uploading onto the Redbubble. Or also you can start with a general post talking about your back designs, your one of the most favorite design, and telling people this is one of my best favorite design I have uploaded onto the Redbubble and I really love that. I'm uploading more such designs onto that Redbubble. Like, you can be creative with that. It's a kind of a post guys. You can say it's a kind of like a social media post, maybe not. I'm just saying it guys. It's a kind of like a post in which you can put some text and can place your designs that you have already onto your Redbubble shop, and also you can link your Redbubble shop to that general as well. I'm going to just read the Redbubble article talking about this general post and how you can utilize it more for your Redbubble sales and all that. So they are saying that you can show up your cool artwork, you can upload the designs that's in, upload the images of your work, that is the designs that you've already uploaded on the Redbubble, in a big bold and talking about your designs and what is your inspiration behind it, what is kind of related to it. Then you can also hyperlink your shop with that post. And Redbubble have made a video talking about, in fact showing you how you can link your shop with this general post and how you can upload. Let me tell you guys, Redbubble has already uploaded a video. I'm gonna link that video in description box below. You can check that video out guys. In that video they have shown you how you can link up your Redbubble shop with this general post, and also how you can add images to your general post, and talking about your Redbubble shop and all that. So they have made a video guys. I'm gonna link that video in description box below. You can check that video out, and I'm also gonna link this article which I'm talking right now in the description box below, so you can read it by yourself as well, so that it would be more helpful to you. So that is the thing guys, hyperlinking, you can link your shop, which is really amazing. Like, if you are getting one biggest opportunity, a new feature coming onto any marketplace or anything you are using, just utilize it, because not many people are utilizing at that time that thing, and you can utilize it and you can get more eyeballs for your shop and thereby getting more sales and all that. Another thing guys, you can also edit your general. Now this is especially helpful in the case if you have made any holiday design. Suppose if you have made any design related to the Christmas and you have uploaded the Christmas design in the October and November of previous year, and now this coming year you see that October, November, that post has going good, and you're seeing that you're getting more sales from that same post. What you can do, you can just go on and edit that same post for the next upcoming December, so that more people will going to see that and thereby converting into the sales and all that. So you can edit the general post as well, like you can go back in previously and change your edit the text or change the image or change the link itself to your Redbubble shop or whatever you can do, and you can edit this general as well. You can link all the various stuffs in your general, guys, which is really amazing. So it's a kind of a thing, guys. You can just make a post related to the design, related to the artwork that you have on your Redbubble. You can also talk about your inspiration, your artwork, your shop, what it is related to it, what is unique about your shop. If you have a kind of like an all abstract pattern shapes type of shop, like you have your designs particularly talking about the abstract pattern, then you can talk about that in the post and telling people that what's the inspiration behind it and why you like that, what is your interest, and all those things, so that it's a way to engage with other people on the platform, so that someone who can relate to it maybe end up on your shop and maybe buying more from you or maybe buying something from you, whatever it is, guys. So this is an amazing add-on feature apart from the just uploading your artwork or uploading your designs onto the Redbubble. Now guys, I can't show you this thing practically doing it on my laptop because I can't log in into my Redbubble account. You already know that, guys. So I can't log in into my Redbubble account and I can't show you guys. So Redbubble already have a YouTube video related to this topic. I'm linking that YouTube video description box below for you guys to check it out on how to make a general post, how you can hyperlink your shop with this general post, and how you can add images and can add text and all that feature, because this is really important. Not many people are doing it, guys, but this is a new thing. Like this article back was in 2018, but I guess not many people are doing it. So if you're doing it, then obviously there are more chances to get more eyeballs. So I hope that this general post about the Redbubble really makes some sense. Like I have explained it clearly to you. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you are working on your general post or if you haven't made any general post previously on Redbubble. Let me know in the comment section below. We're just going to talk about it and we'll see whether it's working or not, whether it's not working for it and all that, guys. So let me know in the comment section below if you have done it so far, or if you have made any general post or anything like that, or if you are looking forward to making in the future. Then yeah, guys, I hope this video really helps you. That's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.